Undet for AutoCAD Auto Multi-Line Tool. This tool automatically creates and fits lines on point cloud section with a single click to create a multi-polyline. Using this function, you will able to draw the lines in maximum accuracy to point cloud points super simple and fast. Undet easily recognizes wall lines from 3D point cloud with a single click on it, and with all next clicks you will create a continuous polyline. In some places, even when there are not enough points for automatic recognition, you can use advanced options which will help not to interrupt the vectorization work. By choosing ortho mode in advanced settings, you will be able to add a segment of the next line perpendicular to the previous line. And by choosing manual mode, you will be able to add the next line segment by 2 clicks by any direction, so any situation you will be able to continue to draw. As you can see, it's user-friendly to use and you can flawlessly speed up vectorization work based on the 3D point cloud. Everything's super simple and fast. All automatically detected lines will be placed in your UCS plane for further vectorization works. Download your free trial now. www.undet.com